Welcome to in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Here we got the ring and notification volume panel. Just to unmute our device ringtones, you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger, and also you can do it by the second way, just by using volume buttons here on the left side of the device. Press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the settings section. And just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this blue dot to the right side and then just click here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.